Hey everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and today we are in New Orleans at the Nopsi Hotel. What was Nopsi?
New Orleans Public Service Incorporated.
Yeah, so they did was it like the electric company?
They did everything. It was your phone bill, your water bill, your gas bill, your garbage bill, everything.
Okay, so this is...
Everybody called it a light bill.
The light bill, yeah. So this is a deluxe king room, and let's start over here by the door. It's quite spacious compared to some of the recent hotels I've been in. So here I am at the door. You have a little console table with bench, nice little vanity, mirror, nice place to get ready, put makeup on. Here is a closet with the light that automatically comes on. There's your safe. You got an ironing board. Here's the bathroom. It's got double doors and really nice shower. There's your amenities. Here's the products that they have included, and they have one of these little things. Yep. And potty. They have one robe for a room for 2 people. So only one of us gets to use a robe at one time. We'll take turns. Nice little way to have a TV mounted on the wall. You have a desk light there. Let's see. You have a little unit with extra USB ports and outlets to charge all your devices. There's a couple of waters. Ice bucket. I don't see a coffee maker, huh? Nope. So you have to go out for your breakfast and coffee. Here's some storage drawers. Is your refrigerator? Let's check. Yep. And let's see. Okay. Does that open? Am I doing it the wrong side? No. Well, we can't seem to use the refrigerator, so I don't know what that's about. So now I'm going to show you the view. So they have really cool blinds.
That's the Hibernia.
This is the Hibernia Tower. This is a really nice view of, this is one of the most iconic buildings right out there in New Orleans. They often light up that tower. That is the Hancock Whitney building, but everyone in New Orleans calls it One Shell Square. I believe that's the tallest building in New Orleans, right there. And the Capital One building, which used to be called Place St. Charles. We are right in the historic downtown with lots of beautiful old buildings. And I think we're about to go up to the rooftop bar, so I'll try to add some video of that, but thank you for watching.
I suspect squeeze that.
This is the above the grid bar, which is not open. Who?
I'm sure you want me to hear from her. Okay, take like 3. I'm gonna take 4 as well. Seems like you like that. I don't know. I think I would freak the fuck out.